The Expo's mission predominantly is to spread awareness. We bring industry members to the location, like to our facility here, and we have the community come out and we have that interaction between the two. With that community interaction and with the industry interaction, we then allow for either students to come to the program and find out about it, or it links the students and the industry members together so that they can prolong that relationship and grow that relationship. What we do here is we are a technician training program for automotive and diesel technicians. We have programs that are based out of 1-year and 2-year associate's degree programs. And the idea is to take someone who has no experience in the industry at all and turn them into a well-rounded student who can come out and join the industry and be a member to the entire state and the transportation industry.
Because Alaska is such a unique place, we found that we're able to create very specific ties with industry members. It allows us to be supported by the industry, but also allows us to provide technicians that are readily prepared for Alaska's conditions. When we started this event, it was initially to create a growth of the program. However, it's developed more into an industry-wide process that's allowed us to reach out to more communities and different entities.
I really like the fact that unlike what would be like a normal car show that you would go to, that it's kind of a family event. You see everyone with anything from like little toddlers in baby carriages to like 6-year-olds running around, you know, just all wide-eyed looking at the shiny pretty cars and construction equipment and stuff like that. So it's not just guys looking at cars.
The Expo itself is absolutely electric all day long. It's a constant involvement and a barrage of industry members getting a hold of you, watching the cars come in and their creativity and their stations, their swag, the stuff that they bring in, the stuff that they're using in order to draw in more people. Ultimately, it's just a great opportunity across the board.
This event is not just for the university and not just for the students, but also for the community to help facilitate employment opportunities, to help facilitate a growth of knowledge and a growth of opportunities available to the upcoming generations and current people here in the state. Industry members help support the program by providing tools, equipment, and funding, and then our program is able to adapt towards the changing needs of technicians in today's field.
To the sponsors, thank you for your time, thank you for your effort, and thank you for your participation.
Without your support, we couldn't do half the show and half the presentation that we can put forward. So you support the program and us and the communities.
It's just brought more awareness to the industry. It's brought more awareness to our program. Without them, obviously none of that would have happened. So
thank you. Thanks a bunch. Your support helps us make this stuff happen. It helps us make the education that we provide better. So thank you.
I'm here today because UAA puts on one hell of a show for the Auto and Diesel Expo every year. I brought my car last year, had a great time here, talked my business into sponsoring this year, so Western Pacific Crane and Equipment is here with their service truck and my car, and we're having a great time out here today.
Pete, you could be anywhere else in the world. You've been coming here for 4 years. Why do you continue to come back and support?
Supporting the industry. We have a shortage of diesel techs, auto techs in the industry right now, and I'm here to try to promote it, bring our bus up in the air, get people to look underneath it, get them excited, and hopefully be able to join the industry and come work for us or anybody. Let's build the staff up for Alaska.
I mean, it's a big one. It's a hard one. The more people that learn this stuff and grow, and I mean, cars are only getting harder to work on. It's a good cause, man. I know a lot of guys that are in the school. Jared, one of the instructors, works with us at the shop. Just one of those things, man. I'm stoked to have people in the industry. I want it to grow. I want it to be a powerhouse, and we like building cool stuff. I want to keep doing it, and we need more people too. So you're looking for a job, give me a call.
Justin, I've had the pleasure of working with you now for almost 5 years. Why do you keep coming back every year? What drives you to support this event after all this time?
When I turned 40, decided to change my life and came to this college. And I took the program. I found it to be the most credible, basically filled in all the gaps as a mechanic and allowed me to excel in the industry. So I have supported the college over the last couple of years by sending all of my young technicians here to get the very, very same education. And they have blossomed. It's been awesome. And so I can't give back enough.
Huge shout out to Different Strokes. Make sure you give them a follow. social media, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you again, guys. You could be supporting any other event, but you've been supporting ours now for almost 4 years, almost 5 years now. What drives Kendall to support this program after all this time?
Honestly, I think it's really important to be out in the community, showing everybody what Kendall Auto Group is all about. We care about the community, we care about the diesel automotive program, and we want to make sure that UAA feels supported.
Thanks, guys. Make sure you check out all the Kendall locations. Your new location, when is that opening up?
We are slated to open up here in the fall, anywhere between July and September. Our grand opening is set up for October, and we're really excited about it.
Guys, thank you so much to Kendall. Appreciate y'all.
The burnout contest is always my favorite, especially when people are blowing up their tires. So it was originally a UAA facilities maintenance vehicle, so they use it to tow around lawnmowers. And it was given to our program at some point before I got here. And we took it, we got the paint and body work done over at King Tech, and my students rebuilt a 6-liter LS. We stuffed it in the engine bay. We put the entire thing on a custom air suspension, so it goes up and down. It's a very cool vehicle. Primarily designed it to participate in our burnout contest at the Expo.
And I love the attention too. My foes and the daily news. Caught up for the crimes they do. No